Maxine and Ryan, may your marriage always be blessed with the pure and profoundly loving feelings drawing you so closely together now. Coco, Yippy, and the kitties are overjoyed that you have decided to enter into the closer relationship of husband and wife. May your marriage always be blessed, now and forever.
Celebrating your love for one another, and may you live your best lives together forever and always.
You two truly deserve each other, and all of the laughter and love that comes along with it. So everyone, if you can please raise your glass for a toast to the happy newlyweds. Congratulations, guys.